Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make a animation logo for your company or for your brand or for anything. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Go Canva and log into your Canva account. After logging in, you have to write here on the search bar logo animation. And enter. After that you will find many templates. See, here's many templates you will find. You have to just pick one and customize yourself by your own creativity. So let's choose one, like hold a second, let me find. Let's say you like this warm-up note. Click on this and click on customize this template. After that you can customize it by your own. If you want to customize this way up north, just double click on this and backspace from your keyboard, it will be removed, and write your thing, like your company name, like anything. Let's say you want to write rich man. Double click on this and you can find here text color, and you can customize your text color, like you want to blue, it's blue. Adventure go, so you can double click on this, backspace, and you can write your own thing, clothing. Alright, so this is a logo. If you want to change the background color, just double click on this and you will find here background color, and you can find here some colors. You can add this, or you can add any background color you want. Okay, so if you want add some elements here, you can go to elements, or you can find here any elements you want to add, like cloth rack. You will find cloth rack. I'm just showing you the basic tutorial, just make it with your own creativity. Okay, alright, this one's hanging. Again you can add some text here, so let's choose one font. Let's say you want to add this font. Double click on this and you can drag it, small it by like this, and you can drag it here from your mouse. So double click on this and backspace from your keyboard, and you can write anything you want. Let's say you want to write choose your rich things. Rich thing. Alright, so you can color this by clicking on color button, and you can color it by your own. Okay guys, so after completing your thing, you can go to animate to make it a different portion, like this, stick, fun, whatever you like. Okay, this will be like this, disco, chill. So let's choose chill. It will be like this. So if you now want to save this in your computer or system, just go to share and scroll down and you'll find download button. Just click on download and it will be saved to your computer. Or if you want to share it with some people, just go here, people with access, and write here the email address, like I'm writing an email. After writing email address, just click on send, full email address. Okay, click on send. After clicking on send, this work will send to that guy. Okay guys, so this is how you can make an animation logo in Canva. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.